And here we have two diagrams of an Earth on the left and an Earth on the right, showing the atmosphere. Now in the atmosphere on the left, we have less greenhouse gases, whereas in the atmosphere on the right, we have more greenhouse gases. We've already gone through the greenhouse effect, which is how short-wave electromagnetic radiation is absorbed by the Earth's surface. This causes the Earth's surface to warm up, so the Earth's surface re-emits longer wavelength electromagnetic radiation, which is absorbed by the greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gas molecules vibrate more and trap the heat energy in the Earth's atmosphere, causing it to be warm. Whereas in the diagram on the right, we have more greenhouse gases. This causes more longer wavelength electromagnetic infrared radiation to be absorbed, causing there to be more molecules vibrating, so more heat energy being trapped in the Earth's atmosphere. This causes the global temperature of Earth to increase, which is what global warming is, when too much of the greenhouse effect causes the average temperature of the Earth to increase. So we can see how less greenhouse gases means less energy absorbed, which means less heat is trapped, which means the Earth is not warmed as much. Whereas more greenhouse gases leads to more heat energy being trapped. And Earth is much warmer as global temperatures increase, which is what global warming is, caused by too much of the greenhouse effect.